Mommy, good afternoon.
Afternoon all. How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Okay.
I am fine, thank you.
Okay, good. Okay. So we are discussing the chapter numbers and we saw one digit numbers. One digit numbers is also called as single digit numbers. And Krishna Raj, which are the one digit numbers?
129.
Numbers 1 to 9 are called one digit numbers. Okay. Now, which is the smallest one? Elvin, which is the smallest one digit number? Smallest one digit number?
10.
Smallest one digit number, Elvin.
9.
Smallest.
1.
Elvin, listen here. Elvin, see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are the one digit numbers. Okay? And in these numbers, 1 is the smallest one and 9 is the
I can
biggest
see
one.
you.
Okay?
Okay.
One is the smallest one,
See you.
the biggest one. Now you can see, no? Now can you see?
Yes.
Okay then. So 1 is the smallest one digit number and 9 is the biggest one digit number. Elvin, you understood? Which is the smallest one and biggest one? Okay. Now we also saw bundle of 10. Okay. One bundle is having 10 sticks. So 10 sticks together, we will say 10 ones is equal to 110. 10 ones is equal to 110. Okay. Yes. Tell me. Who is calling? Tell me. Okay then. So we saw the number 11. Then we saw number 12. Okay. 11, how many tens and how many ones? 11, how many tens and how many ones? 1, 10 and 1, 1. Yes. Who is calling me? Tell me. Okay. Oh, you already done. It's very good. Okay. That we will take. Okay, very good. Keep it up with you. Okay, I will ask you. Now, so we talk about the number 11. 11 having 1, 10 and 1, 1. Okay. Then 12, 1, 10 and 2 ones. Then Hadia, what about the 13? How many tens and how many ones? Hadia, how many tens and how many ones? Hadia?
110 and 3 1.
Very good. Then what about the 14? Riddhik? Riddhik, what about the 14? What about the 14? What about the 14? Riddhik, how many tens and how many ones?
10 ones.
1, 10 and how many ones? 14.
14.
1, 10 and 4 ones. 1, 10 and 4 ones. And we have the next number 15. So how many tens and how many ones? Rayan, how many tens and how many ones? Rayan Salish, in the number?
110 and 5 1.
Very good. Now what about the 16? How many tens and how many ones? Abhinav TS. How many tens and how many ones? Number 16.
Amme.
Abhinav, say answer.
Yes.
How many tens and how many ones? Number 16.
16.
16. We have
210
16.
is 210.
16. How many tens and how many ones?
6 1. 6 1.
110.
Ma'am.
Yes, and no need to write. 110 and 6 1.
ഞങ്ങൾ പഠിക്കും
10 and 6. Then what about 17? Rukma, no need to write. Listen to ma'am. 17, how much tens and how many ones?
Yes, ma'am.
In the number 17, we have how many tens and how many ones?
1, 10,
Ah.
7 ones.
1, 10 and 7 ones. Okay, 1, 10 and 7 ones. Okay, then next number 18. Okay, 18. How many tens and how many ones? There are how many tens and how many ones? 18.
1, 10,
Ah,
and
ah.
8, 1, 18.
Very good. 8 ones. 18. Then 19. How many tens and how many ones? Devadarsh.
1,
Devarsh.
10, and
1, 10 and how many ones?
9.
9 ones. 1, 10 and 9 ones. Next we have 20. Okay. How many tens in 20? Ishan Krishna. How many tens in 20? Ishan Krishna, how many tens in 20?
10, 20.
How many tens in the number 20?
2,
10. 2 tens and 0 ones. Okay. 2 tens and 0 ones. Then 21. Elroy, 21. How many tens and how many ones? How many tens and how many ones? 21.
2 tens and
Ah,
1, 1.
2 tens and 1 1.
21.
2 tens and 1 1. Okay. Then we have the next number 22. Next we have 22. Okay. 22. We have 22. So how many tens and how many ones? Lakshana, how many tens and how many ones? In the number 22. See, others be quiet. Others be quiet. Lakshana, please unmute and say how many tens and how many ones in the number 22. Lakshana, can you hear, ma'am? How many tens and how many ones in 22? Okay, we will move to the next one. Allah, how many tens and how many ones in the number 22?
2 tens
Ah,
and
ah. How many ones?
2 ones.
Very good, very good. Okay. Next we have 23. Okay. We have 23. In 23 we have 2 tens. 2 tens and how many ones? 2 tens and 3 ones. Okay, good. 3 ones. Okay. Next we have 24. Johan, how many tens and how many ones?
2 tens and 4 ones.
Very good. 2 tens and 4 ones. Then next one. Next one we have Nilha. 25. How many tens and how many ones?
2.
How many tens and how many ones? 2 tens and 5 ones. Okay, 5 ones. Hala, next number 26. Hala, how many tens and how many ones?
Hello, ma'am. Tens, 1.
Say once more, Hala.
Ma'am, let us mother.
Ah, okay. Lakshana.
Network problem, ma'am. 2 tens, 6 ones.
Okay. Okay. Now who said the answer? Is it Lakshana?
No, ma'am. Lakshana, we got a connection problem, ma'am.
Ah, it's okay. I will ask you next one. Okay. Hala, what about the 26? How many tens and how many ones?
2 ones,
2 tens.
2 tens,
Ah,
6 ones.
ones. Good. Next we have 27. Okay. Lakshana, say answer. How many tens and how many ones? Lakshana,
27,
how many tens and how many ones?
2 7,
Ah,
2 10,
ah,
and
ah,
7
ah.
ones.
Very good. So next we have 30. Next we have 30. Okay, next we have 30. And Hisu. Ah, yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I tell?
Okay. Who is telling? Say that.
Monica.
Ah, okay. Tell. How many tens are there in 30?
3 tens.
Very good. 3 tens and how many ones?
0.
Very good. 3 tens and 0 ones. Okay. Jeffrey on 31. How many tens and how many ones?
3 tens, 1 1.
Very good. 3 tens and 1. Okay. Now, Abel Anthony, 32. 32. How many? 32. How many tens and how many ones?
3 tens.
Ah, 3 tens and 2 ones. Okay. Okay. We have 3 tens and 2 ones. Okay. Now, last day, Saturday, which number we wrote in the book? I'm drawing the bundles of 10. Which number we draw? Is it 34?
45. 45.
We completed which number?
35.
Ah, we completed 34, I think. So shall we write 35?
Yes.
Okay. So all of you please stay. All of you please take a book and pencil. Okay. So those who completed up to 50, it's okay. They can listen to math. Okay. Yes. Tell me. Take a rough book and pencil. Okay. Take a rough book and pencil, and we can continue from 34, I think. Okay. Okay. Those who written up to 50, it's okay. Very good. So we will continue 34 onwards. Okay?
Tens and 4 ones.
35 now.
Okay. Now we have the number 34. Okay. 34. So we have
3 tens. 3 tens and 4.
34. How many tens? 34. How many tens? Shankar Krishna. How many tens and how many ones in the number 34?
40.
Shankar Krishna, please unmute. How many tens and how many ones?
41.
0 1.
0 1. 3.
Okay. So we have the number 34. So we have 3 bundles of 10. 3 bundles of 10. Okay. And 4 ones. Okay. 4 ones. So we can write 3 tens and 4 ones. The number is
34.
34. What is spelling of 34? What is spelling of 34? Ah,
THIR
very good. THIRTY 34. FOUR
Ma'am,
34. Ivania, are you writing?
ma'am,
Yes.
I will write 40.
Ah, very good, very good, very good. Allah Arun, who is writing? Your brother? Abel CB, is it 34 you are writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Can you say how many tens and ones in 35?
3 tens and 5 ones.
Very good, Abel. Allah's brother, please leave alone. Leave her alone, okay? Let her write. So next we have 35. Hala completed 34? Hala, did you complete 34? Okay, very good. So we can move to the next number, 35. Okay, 35 having 3 tens and 5 ones. 3 tens and 5 ones. Three tens, 5 ones. So we can write 3 tens and 5 ones. So the number is 35. THIRTY. And the spelling of 5, FIVE, 5. Allah's brother, leave her alone, let her write. Okay, we have 35. Having 3 tens and 5 ones. Ivania, which number you are writing now? Ivania Rose, which number you are writing?
35.
Very good. Is it completed?
No.
Okay, do it.
TENS, tens. AND,
Very
and
good. And
5,
5 ones. ONES, ones. The number is 35.
NES 1 equal to 24.
35. 3 tens and 5 ones. The number is 35. And the spelling is THIRTY. 35. FIVE. Okay, shall we move to the next number?
Yeah.
Shall we move to the next number?
30. FIVE
Next we have 36. Next we have 36. Okay. 36 having
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So we have 3 tens and 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can write 3 tens and 6 ones. 3 tens and 6 ones. The number is 36. Number is 36. In the spelling THIR.
Right.
Yes, tell me.
Till where it right?
You have to write now 36. If it is completed 35, you can write 36. So we have the number 36 and 36 having 3 tens and 6 ones. Three tens and 6 ones. 3 tens and 6 ones. We have 36. Sankalp, what is the next number? What's the next number? 37. Okay. How many tens and how many ones? Sankalp, 37. How many tens and how many ones?
7 ones equal to 37.
No. Okay, we have 37. Having 3 tens. Sorry, and we have 7 ones. 5, 6, 7. So 3 tens and 7 ones. 3 tens and 7 ones. So the number is 37. So the spelling is THIRTY. 37. SEVEN. 7. Yes. Hey, who's calling, ma'am? Tell me. Ritik, are you writing? Okay, now which number you are writing?
48.
Oh, 58 completed. Very good. So we have the number 37. Esther, which number you are writing? Is it 37?
Yes.
Okay, 37 completed.
Yes.
So shall we move to 38?
Yes.
So how many tens and how many ones are there in 38?
3 ones and
3 tens and how many ones?
8 ones.
8 ones. Very good. Next we have 38. So 3 tens and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 tens and 8 ones. So we have the number 38. And the spelling is THIRTY. 38. EIGHT. 8. 38. 38. THIRTY. 38. EIGHT. 38. Rukma, which number you are writing now?
40.
40. Very good. How many tens are there in 40?
4.
Very good. Very good. So shall we move to 39? Shall we move to 39? So we have next number 39. Devash, 38 completed? Devash,
Yes.
okay. Shall we move to next number 39?
Yes.
Okay. So we have the next number 39 and 39 having 3 bundles of 10 and 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can write 3 tens and 9 ones. So 3 tens and 9 ones, the number is 39. THIRTY. 39. NINE. 39. Thirty-nine having 3 tens and 9 ones. 3 tens and 9 ones. $39, 3 tens and 9 ones.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay, good. So we can move to the next one. Okay. The next number is, what's the next number? What's the next number? 40. How many tens and how many ones?
4.
Wow.
Tens.
Tens and
4 tens and 0 1.
very good. 4 tens and 0 ones. So we draw 4 tens and this is the fourth one. So
Good afternoon, ma'am.
we have 4 tens. So 4 tens and 0 ones. So the number 4 tens and 0 ones, the number is 40. So what spelling of 40?
F
F-O-R-T-Y. There is no U in 40. Okay? There is no U in 40. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. Let us do one more number, 41. The remaining you will do next class. Okay? And today's last one, 41. Okay? So 41 having how many tens and ones? 41 having how many tens and ones?
Four tens
Ah.
and
Ah.
41.
4 tens.
4 tens and 1.
പോയാ നീക്കോ ആ ഷെൽഫിൽ കൊണ്ടോളൂ.
So 4 tens and 1 1. 4 tens and 1 1. So the number is 41. Spelling F-O-R-T-Y. 41. Okay? 41. So by this we are winding up today's session. Okay? The remaining 42 onwards we will do next day. Okay? Remaining we will do next day. Okay?
Thank you.
Today we complete up to
Thank
Thank you. Bye.
you. Bye.